Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out the Blink Mini 2K Plus.
Welcome to Huson DIY, bringing you the best in tech, product reviews, and getting things done.
Okay, so this is the first 2K camera from Blink, and it's the Blink Mini 2K Plus plug-in indoor-outdoor one camera system setup that I've got right here. So it's a mini camera with max performance, 2K clarity meets expansive coverage with this camera. So as I mentioned, this is the Blink Mini 2K Plus, the first 2K camera that Blink have introduced. In our house and on the channel, we reviewed many Blink products over the years. Blink video doorbells, the Blink Mini, the original, the new Blink Mini as well, just the standard outdoor cameras as well from Blink, and the original indoor cameras as well. We've got a vast array of Blink products across the house and the property in the garden, for example. So this is just the next camera out from Blink. I saw it advertised. I thought we could do a great video on it just to cover off the actual product, compare it to the other Blink Mini, the newest version of the Blink Mini. Well, this is the newest version, but the one predecessor to this. So comparing this 2K clarity to the old one. So in the video, we'll unbox it here on the table. We'll just check out the hardware, what you get in the box, what's included. We'll then do a side-by-side test with the other Blink Mini inside. What I'll probably do is just set them up literally side-by-side. We'll set up some motion detection with them. I'll walk into the actual room where they are, and then hopefully record some video on both cameras, and we can show them off side by side just to show, hopefully show anyway, the 2K clarity that the Blink camera is claiming. So let's stop talking. I'm going to get inside the box first of all. We'll get it out here on the table, check out the actual product. I don't imagine it's very different to the actual other Blink camera in terms of the hardware. Really, it's very, very similar looking on the box. They might be slightly bigger perhaps to house that bigger camera, but we will see. I will get some side-by-side close-ups as well. Okay, so let's get inside the box, check things out. The Blink camera is usually just simple enough packaging, nothing special, but only just exactly what you need. So there's the camera itself wrapped in a little bit of plastic just there. We've got these are plug-in, they're not wireless, so they are plugged in and powered at all times, which does make it a bit more of a stable camera in terms of detection and viewing the camera quicker from the Blink application. So that is one bonus of the wired cameras I have found with Blink. There's some attachments, some screws by the looks of it in there. We've got a quick start guide, or even quicker start guide, just a really small card there. And then we've got the power adapter, the power brick, whatever you want to call it. So that's a simple UK plug that goes into there. We've got a USB type A port on the back of there, and this is a USB type A to type C cable. For that one, so not a USB C to C, which a lot of products come with nowadays, a C to C, which can be a bit of a pain. But anyway, there's the camera, there's the wire, that's everything in the box, literally nothing else included. I did just go for the one camera system because I'm adding it to my actual existing setup, so I didn't need any more than that. So we'll get some close-ups of this on its own, of this next to the old camera, and then I'll actually get some footage, hopefully some recorded footage from the cameras. We'll do them side by side and get a real life look at them, actually the difference between the two. I think I've got a couple inside in a couple of different rooms, so I'll try and get side by side from both of them. I'll get some side by side in low light as well, just to show you the performance in low light. So hopefully if you are looking at this product, if it's worth the upgrade, if you want to get this instead of the original, give you a great idea in terms of the actual quality and performance of this camera. So I'll stop talking now, I'll go inside because the actual setup and my Blink modules, etc. are inside the house. So we'll jump inside. I'll show a little bit of footage of me setting it up, just adding it to the Blink system, which is super easy. Add a new camera, as long as it can detect it close by, adds it to your Wi-Fi, and away you go. So I'm not going to go through too much detail there. It's really simple and quite an intuitive setup. So yeah, see you in a minute, back inside the house. We'll get it set up and get some footage from this camera.
Okay, Blink 2K camera, Mini 2K camera, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, testing. Kitchen Mini, standard, previous model Kitchen Mini. Testing, testing, testing. Blink 2K camera recording, Blink 2K video recording, low light, pitch black, okay, goodbye. Original Blink mini camera, low light, pitch black, audio 2, okay, bye.
Okay, all done now with that Blink 2K camera in this video anyway. We might do a follow-up one in a future kind of video, a future follow-up review. But for now, all I wanted to show was the unboxing here on the table, the product and the side-by-side view, just a simple out-of-the-box view of the actual cameras side-by-side compared with the other older Blink Mini basically. So hopefully you've seen the kind of upgrade in clarity, in kind of quality, obviously between that original maybe 1080p, I think it was on the original Blink Mini, or the older Blink Mini, sorry, compared to that 2K. So yeah, you can see the difference there in the clarity and the quality. If that's what you are looking for a bit of a better picture, a bit of a clearer view of a room or an outside area, for example. So the 2K Plus camera could be for you if you wanted that better quality compared to the older one. That's obviously a total personal preference choice for you, for the setup you've got. But hopefully the video is giving you a good side-by-side kind of view, really good comparison to make that decision of which camera to buy a little bit easier. So I will drop links below in the description to the camera, the old camera as well, just in the description across to Amazon. That is an affiliate link, so if you do click that link and buy the camera, it does help me, it does help the channel out, so that would be much appreciated. But hopefully you have liked the video, it's at least been informative, showing the camera, showing the side-by-side footage. If it has, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the camera, any questions about my setup, any questions about anything at all, drop that in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments that are dropped in there. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, DIY projects, and much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.